Hello everyone, welcome to Maths classes. Let's solve question number 3 in exercise 4.3 chapter Quadratic Equations class 10 NCERT Maths. The question is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and area is 800 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. Here they are telling it is a rectangular mango grove and length is twice its breadth. So length is depending on breadth. So let us assume let breadth of the rectangular mango grove is equal to x. They are telling length is twice its breadth. So length is equal to given length is equal to twice, that means 2 times breadth. So length will be what? 2 into breadth we assumed as x. So 2x. And again they give area is 800 meters square. It is a rectangular mango grove. Area they have given is 800 meters square. What is the area formula of a rectangle? It is length into breadth. This will be equal to what? 800 meters square. Length is assumed as what? We got length as 2x. 2x into x is equal to what? 800. X into x, x square. 800. This 2 is on left side of the equation. If it comes right side, it will become divided by 2 ones, 2 400s. So x is equal to what? Plus or minus root 400. So this is equal to plus or minus 4 into 100. Plus or minus root 4 is what? 2 into root 100 is 10. So you got plus or minus 20. You got two values for x. Two values, what did we get? X is equal to plus 20, the other is minus 20. What is x? X is breadth of the rectangular mango grove. Breadth will always be a positive number. Breadth will always be a positive number. So, we can only consider x is equal to 20. X is equal to minus 20 cannot be considered. So, breadth will always be positive number. So, breadth is equal to what? 20 meters. Then length will be what? Length is 2 times x. That means 2 into x. So, 2 into 20, that is equal to 40 meters. So we got length of the rectangular grove is 40 meters and breadth is 20 meters. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages was 48. They have given sum of the ages of two friends. It is given what? Given sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. Their product of their ages 4 years ago is 48. We need to determine their present ages. Let's see. We don't know present age of two friends. So let us consider present age of friend 1 is equal to x. They have given sum of their present ages is 20 years. So given present age of friend 1 plus present age of friend 2. They have given it as 20 years. That is equal to 20. We have assumed present age of friend 1 is what? X plus present age of friend 2 is equal to 20. So if x goes to right side of the equation, you will get present age of friend 2. That is what? 20 minus x. We got present age of friend 1. We got present age of friend 2 here in form of variable x. Now, the other situation they have given is 4 years ago product of their ages is 48. 4 years ago, what is their ages? Let's see first. 4 years ago, age of friend 1. Present age is x. 4 years ago his age means we should subtract x minus 4. 4 years ago, age of friend 2. Present age is 20 minus x. 4 years ago, age of friend 2 will be 20 minus x. This is a present age 4 years ago. So, you should subtract 4. You will get 20 minus x minus 4. 20 minus 4 is 16. 16 minus x. This is age of friend 2 4 years ago. Now they have given product of their ages is what? 48. 4 years ago the product of their ages is 48. So x minus 4 into 16 minus x is equal to 48. X minus 4 into 16 minus x is equal to 48. Let's simplify this. X into 16 is 16x plus into first x into 16. Then you do x into minus x. Plus into minus is minus x square. After that what do you do? Next second term minus 4 into 16 minus 4 into minus x. So you get minus 4 into 16 minus 16 fours are 64. Minus 64 minus into minus plus 4x is equal to 48. If we write in the order of powers of variables, first is you get minus x square plus 16x plus 4x, that is plus 20x. You have minus 64 here. This is plus 48 on right side of the equation. If it comes to left side, it will become minus 48. So minus x square plus 20x minus 64 minus 48 is what? 60, 40 is 100, 4 and 8 is 12. So you get minus 112 is equal to 0. So this is the equation we got. They asked to find the present ages if it is possible. This is a quadratic equation. From this we get roots. We get the values of x. First, we should check whether is it possible to get a real number for the value of, for the variable x, if it is possible to get a real number. How do you find that if it is possible or not? By finding the nature of roots. Present ages is always a positive number. So we will find first whether that positive real number is possible or not. How do you find the nature of roots? By finding its discriminant. Let's find discriminant first. To find the discriminant is what? D square minus 4ac. So first let's compare this equation minus x square plus 20x minus 12 with the general form. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get A is equal to -1, B is equal to 20, C is equal to -112. Now B square is what? 20 square minus 4 into A is -1, C is -112. 20 square is 400, minus into minus plus, plus into minus is minus. 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into 112, you get 448. 400 minus 448 is -48. Observe this. We got what? Discriminant is less than 0. We got discriminant value as -48. That means this discriminant is less than 0. We already know that if discriminant D is less than 0, roots will not be real. Roots will not be real. Roots means what? Value of x. Value of x will not be real for the given quadratic equation. X is what here? X is the age of friend. Age will not be negative number or it will not be imaginary number. Age will always be a positive number. But we got what? We did not get real number. We got roots will not be real. So this situation, given situation is not possible. Given situation in the question, given situation in the question is not possible. They ask us to find the present ages only if the situation is possible. Here the situation is not possible, so we need not find the present ages. How did we know whether the situation is possible or not? We found discriminant for the quadratic equation. By finding the discriminant, we are able to know whether the given situation is possible or not. The question is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meters and area 400 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. So, they have given the perimeter of the rectangular park, the area of the rectangular park. We don't know the length and breadth. So, let us assume length first. Let length of the rectangular park be x. Length of the rectangular park is equal to x. Okay. And they have given what? Perimeter of the rectangular park. Perimeter of rectangular park they have given as what? 80 meters. We know the perimeter of rectangle is what? 2 into length plus breadth. This is the formula. 2 into length breadth plus breadth is given as 80. So 2 into length we assumed as x. X plus breadth is equal to 80. That means x plus breadth is equal to what? 80. This 2 is on left side, it in multiplication. If it comes to right side, it will become division. 2 ones, 2 40s. So x plus breadth is equal to 40. That means breadth is equal to what? Breadth is equal to 40 minus x. Now in terms of variables, we got length and breadth. Now they have given other data. They have given area is equal to what? 400 meters square. Given area is equal to 400 meters square. We know that area is what? Length into breadth. Length into breadth is given as 400 meters square. So length is x. X into 40 minus x is equal to 400. So Let's simplify. X into 40 is 40x plus x into minus x square. This 400, if it comes to the left side of the equation, it will become minus 400. This is equal to 0. Let's write in the order of powers of variables. You get the equation minus x square plus 40x minus 400 is equal to 0. We got the equation here, quadratic equation. We should first check whether the situation is possible or not. That means we should check the nature of roots of the quadratic equation. Then we will know whether the given situation is possible or not. So let's check that. Equation is minus x square plus 40x minus 400 is equal to 0. We need to find the nature of roots. So first compare with general form of the quadratic equation. Comparing with general form of the quadratic equation, that means ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get a is equal to minus 1, b is equal to 40, c is equal to minus 400. Now to find the nature of roots, what should you find? We should find the discriminant. Discriminant is what? B square minus 4ac. So b square means 40 square minus 4a is minus 1 into c means minus 400. 40 square is what? 1600. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. 4 into 400 is 1600. You got 1600 minus 1600 is 0. Discriminant d is equal to 0. That means we will get 2 equal real roots. So the situation is possible. Now how can we find the values of length and breadth? That depends on the value of x. X is nothing but the root. So let's find the root. We can find the roots by using quadratic formula. What is quadratic formula? X is equal to minus b plus r minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now let's substitute. Minus b means minus of 40 plus r minus root of b square minus 4ac we already got as 0 by 2a. A is minus 1 minus 40 plus r minus root 0 is 0 by minus 2. So we got two roots. X is equal to minus 40 plus 0 by minus 2. That is minus 40 minus 0 by minus 2. Minus 40 plus 0 is minus 40. Minus and minus gets cancelled. 40 by 2, 20. What is the other one? Here minus 40 minus 0 by minus 2. Here you have minus 2. So minus 2 here also. Minus 40 minus 0 is what? Minus 40 by minus 2. Again you get 20. So the value of length x is what? 20. X is nothing but x implies length. So the length of rectangular park is 20 meters. What is breadth? For us, breadth we have assumed as 40 minus x. So 40 minus 20, that is equal to 20 meters. So length and breadth are same here, 20 and 20. 20 meters and 20 meters. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.